Welcome back to the new video in the SheetGPT. Now, in this video, we'll understand how to create a marketing tagline for all the people who are working in social media. Now, marketing tagline, it requires a lot of brains, lot of creativity, and people have to spend hours in an isolated to think about creative ideas. Definitely, it's a challenging job, no doubt about that. But SheetGPT is going to help all the creative people to give you some better taglines which can help you promote your products or services. Let's understand. I have on the left hand side, if you see some services and the products, if you see, there are many options which says fashion design and styling. It has web development and programming languages, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now I want to create some taglines. How do I do that? I can just write here as equal to GPT, open the brackets, double quotes, and I can write here create a tagline which is very interesting for age group, let's say 25 to 45 on the topic and ampersand, and I can select this particular cell, close the bracket, enter. Now this will create a tagline. So I've given the age bracket 25 to 45, and it says unleash your digital dreams and with cutting edge mobile app development. Some data it is giving right now. Now if I want this tagline to be little catchy, little funny, so people can relate with, okay, so here I can say it is very interesting, which is very funny. I can write as very funny. Okay, so this will create another tagline. Now I have to give my emotions. Number one, I have to give them the right understanding what exactly I'm looking for. This is just a one line of prompt, but if you think your ideas needs to be more relevant, you have to give more and more information. It understands and gives you all the ideas here. So it says making your toaster talk since 1999. Whenever you breakfast, get a voice. So that is Internet of Things. So it has made some interesting options. So when it comes to photography and videography techniques, it says framing memories like a boss, even if they are slightly out of focus. So it is a bit interesting to get these taglines. So now this is something which would be useful. Now I've written the taglines and I've shown you how to create social media posts and all. You can also think about creating a syllabus, creating a course outline, creating MCQs, assignments, projects, whatever you tell them, you can get the answers. So here I can tell them GPT, so I can write as create a project on the topic, and I can select the cell number over here, and I can close the bracket. So it will create a project on that particular topic. Let's see what is the answer it is giving. Let me increase the size over here. So it is creating a project. It is taking some time because obviously projects should not be very small. It would have more detailed information. Let's try to see. Perfect. And you see, it has taken few seconds, but it has created an entire project of almost 200 plus words and detailed. So it is giving me the project goals, research and analysis, conceptualize and design, development and testing, and so on. So if I scroll down, obviously I'll be getting the data for all those topics on the left hand side. This is very interesting for students and the teachers as well. But for time being, I hope you have understood how to create a marketing tagline which will attract your customers and the end users. And that's all for this video.